Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
So we have pretty much reached. We are just actually heading to our hotel now, but boy, it is crazy. All the kids are all awake. And look at people. Now this is what you call tourist attraction. See, they're all the way from over the other side. See the falls there, babe? So over there is the American side. So we're on the Canadian side, and that's America, guys. Right across there. Look at it. The fall looks beautiful. Oh, we'll jump off. There was a woman that tightrope across. See, there's the bridge there where you can go across.
I never tightrope.
Yeah, where you can go across. So, look, you see the water from the thing is on the car?
Yeah, I feel water. How?
Well, Faith, the falls is right there. So yes, we're gonna go to our hotel and check in, and yeah, let the adventures begin. We have finally made it to the hotel, and we've already checked in, so we're just heading to our room now. Oh, sorry for the blurriness. Okay, better. Sorry for the blurriness. Oh, we've reached our room. We're in our room. It's not much, but whatever. We just need somewhere to stay. We're not worried about that. We're more worried about the attraction. So that is what it is. Just one little room, not much to see. Well, it's okay. We think this is Jamaica, all inclusive. Here, this one asked if they could have put something in the fridge. You think it's like Jamaica when we go to the hotel in Jamaica where you can get all inclusive and they have the liquor stock. Unfortunately, no, it's not like that here. So we don't have that option. Okay, guys, so we are heading out now. Oh my gosh, it took forever. Okay, guys, let's go. Babes, which way you going? You gonna take the stairs? Wanna go down? You see the other ones? I'm in the room. Oh, this AC feels nice. Here, really? Okay, so this one doesn't want to take the stairs. He now wants to take the elevator. So we're gonna go take the elevator. So look, so go-karting. What? You wanna do go-karting? Yeah. Babes? Are you guys gonna go?
Yeah, Mario. Where?
I wanna do it.
Huh?
I wanna do it too.
You wanna go karting? So we are here. You are so much. Babes, you can drive the yellow one.
Sorry.
Okay. So
she's not wearing any bra. Do one back there so I can see her titties. She's not wearing any bra.
gosh. So yeah, guys, so we are at the amusement park. Oh Lord, pretty crazy. The first wheel, look, they have the dinosaur adventures. I wanna go. You wanna go? You wanna go in there? I wanna go in there, and they have the arcade game for a year pass. Yeah, I wanna go karting too. I think we all can go. Look at the lineup. Holy moly! Look at, oh, there's the arcade and prizes and stuff. So we can do that. Guys, look at this line. This line is crazy. Babes, wait. Minimum height. Says about what? How tall is she? Oh, I guess we'll find out. Guys, we got our tickets to go ride, but I guess we are, I don't know what we're doing right now. What?
Like, that would be way too long.
Pretty long.
5 minutes.
Okay, so are we going? Let's go.
5 minutes.
Yeah, guys. So we are walking. Oh man, this place is crazy. Pardon? Wanna go eat peanut and drink water?
I have chips. We have chips.
Where are we going for dinner? Oh look! Oh my goodness! They have the pie. Really? You come here and want to eat hot dog? Listen to these kids. Look, babe, Cassie.
Why don't we just get like Cassie?
Look, babe. Look at the dinosaur. Oh gosh, that is crazy. Look at the dinosaur. So, dinosaur adventure.
I got stuck. Memphis. Remember the time you got stuck in a Ferris wheel?
Oh, Memphis, you used to love those when you were kids.
I got stuck.
Huh? Look at the big Burger King. Oh, there's IHOP, baby. We should go to IHOP. Yes, ladies in pink. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Huh? Where's my phone?
They could have just died.
Oh, I want a picture. Babe. Babe.
No, mommy. Let's go. Too much
It looks real, eh?
It's not real. It's not real.
It's not real. It's fake. Do you think it's real? You think it's real? That's too funny. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Like, this is crazy. Look. I know. Yeah, that is crazy. So there's King Kong. There's King Kong, guys. King Kong is right there.
Burger King.
You still want Burger King?
His face looks real.
Well, yeah, because they have the wax museum here. They're supposed to make them look real. Really?
There's a mirror.
Oh look,
There's a mirror.
there's the moving theater. We should go to moving theater. Oh, the mirror. Yeah, that place is creepy.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, that one's creepy. No, we haven't gone in this one. Oh,
Ooh, a dinosaur.
adults $10, 6 kids $6. Oh, babe, we could go in here.
Yeah, there. You can go in here.
I'm 12, I'm 13 in 2 months.
These kids are crazy.
It's actually
Oh. I thought my camera died. You see? We'll find back where we're going. We're just browsing. I know. There's so much of them that looks like him. There's so much dogs that looks like Cassie. Holy. I am out here, guys. Wow. I want to go on a Ferris wheel.
Look how many people.
Really?
Look that.
Strike. Oh, the rockin' bowl.
Look, mommy, look up in the sky.
Where?
Look there.
Oh, it's a plane.
That's a plane? Yeah.
Okay, babe. Where are we? What is the plan?
Let's go get some ice cream.
Oh, you're going to the falls? Okay, yeah, the falls is down there.
Oh, my ears are hurting.
Hmm?
Yeah, it's a cyanide neon.
Pardon? Oh, Boston Pizza? Is that where you want to go for dinner? Babes, Rissa, please hold on to one of your siblings or stick by me and Mario so you don't get lost. You see how much people are walking? It's so easy to get lost, guys. That is crazy.
Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
Come on.
Look at that. Let me tell us her head top. Let me tell us to take down the bun. So crazy.
You see?
Oh, what are they making there? Oh, it's a candy, the fudge factory. We gotta go in there. Oh my gosh. They're making fudge. What? Fudge, like candy. See, look, it's a candy store.
Yeah. take me take you.
It's too late now. They already gone and pass and gone. We have to pay for you to go drive. Memphis. Oh yeah. Oh, Memphis or Faith. Oh yeah, Faith. I know. We should have bent his feet. Her feet, eh?
Someone has to be a passenger. I mean, I'm driving.
You are a passenger.
Oh my gosh.
Mom,
Oh, that AC.
Mommy,
You feel how cold it is right
Mom,
there?
you only got 3 tickets, right?
3, no.
4.
Yeah, Memphis is driving, you're driving, I'm driving, and Mario's driving.
So we're still going.
Rissa can go with any one of us.
Except for me.
The one time I come to me a phone.
Shut.
Huh?
Yo.
Eh? Isn't that crazy? He looks real, eh? That's the guy from what, Batman? I know, that's crazy, eh? Oh, let's take a picture. Let me see if I can get someone to take a family picture. Oh, Lord. Oh, ice cream. Babe. Babe, look, they have the waffle cone. Oh my goodness. Oh look, they have the 4D extreme ride. Oh look babe, Rainforest Cafe. You want a GoPro? Yeah, we can get one.
But tell us you can get your phone for your ride.
What else can't you have on the ride? Yeah. Yeah, we do need a GoPro because for certain things. Oh gosh, yeah guys. Oh, it is crazy as busy. Are you running? Run! Babes! Hello, the light is green. And you're still walking. That is crazy. Yeah, are you alone? Yeah, there's somebody to drive. Come. Oh my gosh, this place is crazy full. Oh, we're going down to the falls.
Oh,
So
mommy.
we're heading down to the falls right now. Oh my goodness. And it is crazy busy.
Niagara Falls, that's the bridge across over to the States. There's people all over.
Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. So you say wait. Can you carry me? Memphis, you're really walking up fast. You're so disgusting. Really? Oh, what is that, a princess? Babes. You didn't see the princess? You didn't see the princess over there stripping. Oh gosh. Oh, there is the falls. We are almost there. Oh gosh, the only thing I'm worried about is just getting wet.
Like when we got the whole.
Be careful. This is so crazy. Look at, you just see like a wind rush of people coming this way. Okay, you guys, Rissa, make sure you stay close. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. If any of you can catch up on some of these languages that you're hearing, let us know. Okay, where we're going? Babe? Wait, over here?
Me here when I own my holy shit.
We're gonna cross.
Woo, okay. Oh.
What?
You go up here? Oh gosh. That's so crazy. Here, go this way. Oh, you got the helicopter. So,
People like cruising out.
you can go the falls. They have the water stuff. Okay. Oh, this thing here. Look at that, guys.
I don't know if that, but I'm gonna care.
So there's people down there on the boat. Look at the falls. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. Oh, there's zip line. Look, see there's zip line all the way down there. You wanna go zip lining? Hey babes? Yeah. Yeah? May you go zip lining? See, they have the thing over there. So look, it goes from there. Look, Memphis. See there? And you go way down there. You can't see? You here? Use that thing there.
No?
I'm going zip lining, but this I can't use my phone. That's much scary. That's my job.
Maya, you should go zip lining.
This thing is making me nervous just standing here, like on my back pressed against here, and I see that drop.
Maya, you should do it. You should do it. You and Memphis.
Hello.
Yeah, Miss Wendy.
Trying to kill my husband?
Just do it back home. Back home.
You and Memphis. Memphis.
Wait, they're going soon. They're going soon.
No, not you.
Wait, just close your eyes. That's it. Uh-oh, here they go.
They're going.
Mommy!
They're going. Mom. Oh, it's not bad.
Oh my gosh! That is so scary. What if you're falling?
Me not let go.
No. They tell you.
Hello, me hold on for dear life. Tell me about
Look at the rainbow, Mom. Mommy, look at the rainbow over there in the cloud. Oh, they went already. No, they didn't. Look, they're still going.
Oh, they are? They're like mini mice.
I know.
It's lost about as high as Mom, is this drop?
Okay, if you guys couldn't handle
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. A blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and